So Alexa, how did you enjoy the movie with Daddy last night?
I watched Sleeping One and I watched
Toy Story 3?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What'd you think of the movies?
They were really fun. And I had sticky things.
What sticky things?
Color sticky things.
Candy?
Yeah.
Daddy got you candy?
Yeah.
Whoa. How was the movies? Was the screen really, really big?
Yes.
Were there a lot of people there?
No, just a little bit.
Was it loud?
No.
No.
It was quiet.
Was the movie really good?
Yeah.
Tell me about the movie.
Mommy, on the boy next to the girl doesn't have a pickle on his head.
No?
Only the one that's not with the girl has a pickle on his head.
Yeah? Who's that? Mr. Potato Head?
No, it's Mr. Pickle.
Oh, that's cool. So it was a good movie, huh?
Yeah.
You want to go to the movies again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, say bye.